Friedrich von Amerling was born April 14, 1803, died January 14, 1887. He was an Austro Hungarian portrait painter in the court of Franz Josef. He was born in Vienna and was court painter between 1835 and 1880. With Ferdinand Georg Waldmüller, he is one of the outstanding Austrian portrait painters of the 19th century. He studied from 1815 to 1824 at the Academy of the Arts in Vienna, before journeying to Prague, where he studied at the Academy until 1826. He spent 1827 and 1828 in London, where he was influenced by the portrait painter Thomas Lawrence. Amerling created over 1,000 works, mostly portraits. He was the most popular portrait painter of the high aristocracy and the large middle class of the Biedermeier period. The years from 1830 to 1850 represent the high point of his work. His style has points of similarity to that of Ingres, combining clarity of outline with rich coloration. Amerling's work was exhibited in Vienna in 2003. Most of his work remains in Austria.